Tim Schrage on final now on the Just Super Stol, red and black. This is a good example. We were talking about shock suspension. Super Stol is very much that airplane. He's got leading edge slats, big flaps. You can tell he's coming in a little higher. He's going to have a much steeper, more vertical descent. Super Stol's got outrigger style shock suspension. He's really just going to let those soak up all his landing energy here.
Yeah, that's the key, is you can just tell that the direction his energy is pointed. Most people are going down the runway. He's going to try to get that velocity vector straight down to the ground.
Just short. You can tell though, if he was over the line there, that would have been a properly short landing.
Yeah, I mean, one more foot the other direction and he'd have a 50-foot landing there.
And that's really the advantage of the big gear there. I mean, he was literally just falling out of the sky. I mean, you're absorbing all of that energy in the landing gear, and not contributing it to your rollout distance.
Yep. And combined with those slats, the big flaps, you'll see him not only extremely slow, probably in the 25 mile approach, but he needs to give up all of that energy into the ground with those shots. And of course, with all that suspension and gear height, it becomes a little bit more difficult to see over the nose. You can see all that plexiglass for him to see every which way and also down.
In total contrast to Dan Reynolds' Chinook, which just has, in the pusher configuration, he's got just unrestricted forward visibility there.
Really is the closest thing to a helicopter, this Chinook. And also has the benefit of he can nose it over without any consequence.
Just a perfect spot landing there by Dan Reynolds. I mean, you can really see the advantage of the visibility that he gets from that thing. Just really being able to see where that line's at and make sure he's right on it.
Not only the visibility, but the weight too. All of this is about managing energy. A heavy airplane will have more energy to stop, so Dan has to do very little work on the brakes to take up the hop.
52 feet for Dan Reynolds' first landing there. That gets him a combined score of 101 feet in first position for the LSA category. We're all